Good morning, students. So, remaining topics in the principles of inheritance is chromosomal theory of inheritance 5.32. So, Mendel published his results in 1865. His book name is Experiments on Plant Hybridization, and he submitted his results into the Natural History Society of Bonn, also called as the Proceeding of Bonn, Natural History of the Society, another name. Next one is Mendel life history. If you are observing the Mendel life history, then he born in the 1820 July 2nd 22. He started his experiments on garden pea plants from 1856 to 1865. His results are published in 1865. His results are rejected in 1866, and he died in the 1884. Later, after death of his, then his experiments are rediscovered in 1900 by three scientists. They are the Hugo de Vries, Holland, Karl Korens, Scheemark. These three scientists are rediscovered. 2 marks answer, very important. And the next one is how they are discovered, because of the following reasons. Due to the advancement of the microscope, one of the reason for rediscovery is advancement of the microscopy, that helpful for the observation of the cell division and helpful for the observation of the nucleus and observation of the chromosomes. Later, Mendel experiments are explained by some two scientists. That two scientists are Sutton and Bowery. So they stated that the chromosomal behavior during the meiosis are noticed, and they stated that the movement of chromosomes are parallel to the genes, because genes are present inside the chromosomes only, and they used the chromosomal movement to explain the Mendel laws. Mainly there are three laws. One is the law of dominancy, law of segregation, and law of independent assortment. And next one is if you are observing the reasons for the success of the Mendel. See here, reasons for the success of the Mendel. One of the reason is he maintained the accurate statistical data. He maintained the accurate statistical data, one of the reason. Next, he selected the genetically pure breed plants, so the pea plants. Next, annual plants, so 1 year only they can complete the life cycle. If he selected the many years life cycle plant, means so it's very difficult to be, because the experiments will take so many years, some hundreds of the years. That's also one of the reason for success of the Mendel. Third reason. And fourth one, he selected the bisexual flowers, because no need to search, one is a male plant, one is female. Unisexual if he selected means then he has to, if male is available means female not available, female is available means male is not available, like that maybe happen. So that's why, so one more reason is bisexual flower, selection of the bisexual flowers, and there undergoes the self-pollination. Self-pollinated plants, cross-pollination is easy, but cross-pollinated plants, self-pollination is very difficult, because some particular pollen grains only it will be accepted. So self-pollinated plants we can do the cross-pollinated easily. Next, reasons for unrecognition of the Mendel experiments, very important. This one also 3 marks questions. One is that time in 1855 1866, that time 1865 he published his results. That time no communication, proper communication is not there. Nowadays more communication is there. Even we can see this, we can communicate within seconds from all over the world. And second reason is used the mass in biology. It's a new process. Actually mostly mass are not used in the biology, but Mendel first starting he used the mass in biology. That is one of the reason for unrecognition. Next, he stated that he is explained the factor concept, or he introduced the factor concept. Factor means nowadays gene. Factor concept. So that is new concept. Factors are discrete. Discrete means small units, and according to him, these factors are not blend, not mix, was not completely was not accepted the contemporaries. In that, contemporaries are not accepted because continuous variations are seen in the nature. So that's one of the reason. Next one is the fourth one. He is not provide the any proof for the existence of the factors. Factors means genes. He is not providing the. So these are the some of the reasons for unrecognition of the Mendel experiments.